strapnya, yung strapnya, yung strap, yung strap, yung strap, yung strap.
How much they pay her?
Wait.
How much they pay her to the driver?
Not much.
That's how much?
Depends on oversized load, it depends. Oops. Good morning mga choy, mga chay. Good morning viewers, good morning internet. Umupa na yung storm. Okay na ang kalsada, malinis na, but something may namumuo na naman sa may Vancouver papuntang Hope na bagyo. Barin ko ng jacket ko. May snow na naman, laging ganyan laging nagsisimula sa may Vancouver, papasok as ulan, tapos yung ulan pagdating sa may paakyat sa Hope yung hangin, nagiging snow. So mamaya sana, finger cross, na hindi ganun kalala yung snow na tatama sa may Coquihalla Highway. Meron akong nakita nyo kahapon, meron akong hose na hiningi dun sa mechanic namin. Itong right side ng wiper, kasi natanggal naputol yung connection ng hose para pagpapasok yung tubig. Yung sprayer niya hindi na gumagana. Gagawin ko siya pagdating na siguro sa Abbotsford, sa yard ng Q-Line. Darating ako mamaya. Late na ako nag-start. Mag 8 o'clock na ng umaga ngayon dito sa Alberta. Kagabi tumigil ako sa may Edson, Alberta, sa may Petropas. Kasi ang plan ko sana titigil sa may Henton, but malakas yung blowing of snow, and then blowing of snow, meron pang snow. Kaya good decision, decide. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali dahil ang aming reload ay 24 pa ng this month. So meron akong plenty of time, hours, day, hanggang makarating ng safe and sound sa Q-Line yard sa Abbotsford. This one is Highway 5. Ang kagandahan dito ay napaka-smooth ng highway dahil walang snow, dry ang pavement. Yung rubber ng truck ay dikit na dikit dun sa pavement, which is good. Pero pangit itong kalsadang ito once na mag-snow naman dahil sa lubong. Pero pag dry, magandang weather, walang snow, walang freezing rain, napaka-smooth ng highway nito. Wala masyadong pulis. Mayroong iilang town na madadaanan, but unlike dun sa Trans-Canada one from Calgary to Bayabanth, Baya Golden, more on Ahon, more on Lusong, maraming brake check. Dito, walang brake check dito unless pagdating mo ng Kamloops. Kamloops ay isang city ng British Columbia. This highway ay British Columbia. Highway 5 ng British Columbia. Pero pag pangit ang panahon, napakapangit din ang highway na to. Kagandahan lang dito, yung sabi ko, wala masyadong pulis na tumatambay. But ang pangit dito ay walang signal. Mahaba yung oras na wala kang signal ng yung phone. Ganon din naman sa Trans-Canada One. May mga portion doon na walang signal, but maraming lugar kasi na may mga cell site na doon sa area dahil yun talaga ang maraming dumadaan from Calgary to Golden to Revelstoke to Salmon Arm to Kamloops to Hope and Vancouver. Kaya maraming cell site doon ang nilalagay, may signal. But here, mabibilang mo lang ang mga makakasalubong mo. I don't know if merong, hindi ko matandaan if merong passing lane dito sa area na to, na I think yung papunta dito meron, pero yung dito hindi ko matandaan kung meron silang passing lane. But so far so good. Wala akong masyadong na-overtaken, wala akong masyadong nasusundan na truck dahil nakakahataw yung mga truck dito. Ibig sabihin nakakataw, nakakaratrat ng speed. Ang speed dito ay 100, but 105 is okay. 5 kilometer na sobra, pwede yun. 110 is over. Pero kung wala nakakita, pwede ka makakarat-rat ng 110 km an hour. Basta maganda lang yung pavement, dry, at yun ang the best. Pero hindi ka makakarat-rat, of course, pag ang pavement mo, ang highway ay freezing rain or compact ice or snowy. Hindi ka makakarat-rat. Talagang siyempre, iisipin mo rin na huwag kang mahulog sa bangin. Kanina may nadaanan ako doon, may isang truck nandun sa bangin nakatusok. Siguro to 70 kilometers an hour. Pag merong mga speed na ganitong bumababa up to 70, ibig sabihin yan merong town sa unahan. Merong town na ang speed minsan nila 70, minsan 60 km an hour. But this one I think is Big River, British Columbia. Yep. Sabihin ko, ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung saan ko unang nakita ang Q-line. Hindi ko pa kilala si Pinoy Maniho before. Nasa Torque pa ako noon. Nakita ko ang Q-line. May mga karga siya, mga empty na trailer, pinapatong-patong, stock trailer tawag doon. Kita ko siya, sabi ko nung madaling araw, papunta akong washroom, kita ko siya, Q-line. Tapos sabi ko, ang ganda nito ang gandang style ng mga ano nila. And then after so on, na-meet ko si Pinoy Maniho, and ayun, pinasok ako ni Pinoy Maniho dito sa Q-line. Tinulungan niya ako makapasok sa Q-line. Yun kanina, lumagpas yan kanina. I mean, hindi na siya tumigil sa Tim Horton kanina. So this one is Big River. Ito na style ng bahay nila. Oh, ito. Itong ESO card lock truck. parking ito. Nabalaho ako dito nung nasa Torque. Dito sa area na to. Doon sa likod ako nakapark. Tapos yung queue line nakaharap dito. Nakita ko siya. Diyan ko unang nakita si queue line. Sabi ko, soon makakapagtrabaho din ako dyan. And here I come. Bye bye. Dito ay 55. 57. 57 at 60 zone. Cruise control. CBSA. Police. Oh, may parking pala dito. What place is this? $100. $55 on 60 miles, 60 kilometers an hour. 55 kilometers. Cruise control. 60 kilometers. 50, 48. Merong mga pulis dito eh. Sa mga mababa ang zone, ang speed zone, may mga nag-aabang yan lagi. Yan ang paboritong spot nila. Kaya nagre-record ako pag sa mga zone na ganito. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan sila nagtatago. 47. I'll show you guys kung nasan itong mga pulis. Zone 60 zone. Clear. Wag kang mag-speeding sa mga town. I think this one. Ayan, no? Ito yata eh, CVSA o itong police. Not sure ha. Ah, yan o, sabi ko na eh. Diba? CVSA. Siya nagbabantay. Yeah. Diba? Nandyan palagi yan, yung CVSA na yan. Sa town. Dito sa town na ito ah. Sisinyasan ko sila na may pulis. Diba guys? Gets nyo na? Lessons learned, no? Kaya kailangan lagi ako nagre-record kasi in any time na masisiraan sila ng ulo at ititigil ka nila, sasabihin nilang 70 ka, at least meron kang record na hey, meron akong record at ako ay 60 or 50 kilometers an hour lang. So dito ka pala mag 100 pagkita mo ng sign and you're safe. That's it guys. Kailangan lagi kayong may ebidensya dahil hindi mo alam kung kailan nabubuang ang utak ng mga CVSA. Kung tumingin sa nako, na-stop pa ako. Proceed. I don't know.
Silly you, what did you think? He stayed for life 'cause he bought you a drink. She'll get disease, hey pretty please. It's true you know how to bring the heat. Oh miss one, but there's never no bids. We try to stop talking about kids. You go from number one to nothing at all in just a blink. Oh, what do you think? Oh, I wish I was my best friend instead. In her head they're dead. He got away. Ooh, he got away. She put a spell on you. He got away. Who was Leo? No one. He got away. What's the silly you, what did you think? He stayed for life 'cause you're good at the thinking and power walking. Hey pretty please, it's true you're good at birds and bees. Yes, miss one, but there's never no bed. So stupid girl, stop talking about kids. I'll go from number one to nothing at all in just a blink. He's out of the ring. Oh, I wish I was my best friend instead. In her head they're dead. He got away. He got away. She put a spell on you. He got away. He got away.
In 3 kilometers, keep right to Highway 1 West.
Daming parking, no? Oy! Prince Transport! Daming spot. May dalawang Prince Transport dito. Tatlo.
Turn left on Flood Hope Road, then take the second right.
Torque. maliit yung pilot nila. Okay sa parking pero hindi ka makakapwesto kung saan ka gustong pumila dahil pag pihit mo ng pakaliwa, hindi mo alam dito kung saan may bakante. So kailangan maghihintay ka. Procedure lagi dito, maghihintay ka dito sa gilid para maghihintay ka kung anong spot. Itong isang truck na to, pumasok pa yung driver sa loob. Yun no, tsaka pala mag-refuel no? Minsan may mga driver na hindi nag-iisip na may mga truck driver din naghihintay na may mga oras. Yung bang walang pake. Wala akong pakialam, di ba? Sa amin ha, sa amin pag refuel 8 minutes, 6 minutes, we're done. Sa kanila umaabot sila ng 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga pinaggagawa. Ano, saka pala sila pumilos. Ay nako. Ayun pa ang driver oh. Pumasok pa sa tindahan, iniwan ang truck sa harap o sa gas station. Sa pump, I mean sa pump, iniwan ang truck sa pump. Itong card holder, alis na to. Come on boy.
Turn right on Glenholm Road, then take the first left.
Dami na nakapila sa likod. Ngayon, ako naman hihintay kayo ngayon. Skip. Grabe oh, almost 1,000 yung fuel. Let's go. Kasi isipin din natin na meron ding naghihintay. May mga naghihintay na truck. Hindi ka pwedeng matulog dito sa pump. Ito yung pinakapangit sa Flying J, itong skizzy nila. Okay, done. Pag fill up ng diff, hindi mo siya kailangan punuin. 3/4 lang. Okay na yung 3/4. Kasi mapa-frozen siya pag sobrang puno. Eight minutes. Kita nyo ha? 8 minutes. Diba? Ganun lang ba? Isipin mo yung ibang driver na naghihintay, may oras din. O, di pag naka-parking ka dito, tsaka mo gawin yung gusto mong gawin dun sa loob.
Arriving in Klein Abbotsford on the right.
Yung strap niya, yung strap. Nako, yung strap niya. Thank you. Welcome back again dito sa Abbotsford. So nandito yung mga ibang trucking company na mga third party. Yung load ni Q-Line binibigay sa ibang company. So, ang dami nito. Ito yung ano na nakikita nyo. Kaya kailangan siyang i-tarp. Pero hindi naman talaga sagad na kailangan i-tarp. Maliit lang to. Maliit lang siya. Pero mali yung ano nila oh. Mali yung securement. So 4 na kadena lang yung ginamit nila dito. I don't know, depends sa kanila. Pag mahulog din, mahulog. Yung sa amin, maliit lang talaga siya kasi hindi siya oversize eh. Hindi siya lumagpas dito sa amin. Iba dun sa aming kinarga na malalaki. So nakakapag-load sila ng 2. Yeah. So kailangan i-tarp kasi nasisira nga yung cover niya dito oh. Yung cover niya dito nasisira. So sa amin bukas tatarp din siya. My friend, good evening.
Vlogging?
Eh?
You do vlogging?
I'm not vlogging. This is only for my...
Channel?
I got a small channel like,
YouTube channel?
yeah, 20 subscribers.
Oh,
I'm just starting my channel. Yeah,
good luck.
yeah. So you,
Awesome.
what's that? No, it's okay. I'm full. Thank you so much.
Pizza.
No,
I
thank
mean
you.
it.
Thank you. I'm full. I just take some dinner. So you guys pick up load in the port?
Yeah,
Oh, what's the height?
14-1.
Huh?
14-1.
The load or the whole thing?
The whole thing from the
14-1.
step? Huh? 14-1?
1-4-1.
So from the port you go straight all the way here?
Gotta take exit 7A.
Eh?
Exit 7A.
7A? 7A?
Yeah, 7A.
And then how you
then
can...
all the way 7. Then you gotta take 11. Then you're gonna come on the highway 1.
You got a pilot?
Sorry?
You got a pilot?
No.
Go-
It's a height, man. It's not a like wide.
Oh, okay. Because we just load that one the last few days, and then I came back and take another, the big one.
Oh, how much height?
It's 15.8. Yeah, 15.8. So we go all the way.
Yours is much bigger, man.
Oh,
You need
bigger.
that car,
It's
yeah.
bigger. Yeah, all the way. Then 7. Then come out on Hope.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So all 7A, then 7, then all the
7B, then 7, then Hope.
Got it.
Yeah. Where are you going? The same Fort Saskatchewan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You deliver there?
Edmonton.
I unloaded yesterday.
You deliver there?
Yesterday.
You know what? Like, tell what time they open?
So Q-Line give you the load.
Yeah.
Who's your contact with Q-Line?
I don't know.
You have, because it's a booking situation. You have to book your appointment because
Yeah.
it's gonna be a crane. So, yeah, it's gonna be a crane. They're gonna unload by crane, so you have to contact Q-Line to book your appointment, guys.
For the delivery, yeah.
Yeah, for the delivery. So all of those things there, the reels, this all for Q-Line.
You tarp this as well or no?
Yeah, they told me to tarp the load because we got 9 trucks, Q-Line trucks, the last few days, and the reels was damaged on the top. It's all damaged, the reels, the cover,
Okay.
it's all damaged. So that's why they told us now for another 3 trucks for the big loads that we have to tarp on the top.
Maybe that's why, yeah.
Yeah, that's why you need to tarp down because the wind, it's gonna damage.
Because we were talking to them since morning, like why to know tarp this fucking stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah.
They got in the like open in there, like all in the winter, all in the rain, and everything is comes up in there.
Yeah.
So why do you need this fucking?
It's gonna, due to the going to the mountain, the wind, it's gonna damage your cover there. It's gonna damage. It's gonna fly out.
Got it.
Yeah, the trade there, it's gonna remove
the
and
plates,
fly.
the smaller plates.
Yeah, the small plates, it's gonna come out. That's why you need to tarp.
Got it.
Yeah, we have to tarp the big one now. Tomorrow, I think on 24. So you guys you own the truck? You don't mind if I'm gonna ask how much they give you the?
We are working on miles.
Huh?
We work on miles.
You work on miles?
Yeah.
It's not like, oh, this load
not,
is
not a percentage.
15,000 load, no?
No, nothing like that.
Oh, really?
Just the miles. Yeah.
Oh, but you are attached with Q-Line?
No. We are just working with the MIS.
Okay, another company,
Yeah.
but you guys own the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. So how much mile? $2?
I'm just driver there.
Oh, you're a driver?
Yeah.
Okay. You? Is that your truck?
We both are drivers.
I have my truck in other company.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
How much they pay her?
Wait.
How much they pay her to the drivers?
Not much.
Like how much?
Depends on oversized load. It depends. How big, how wide, how tall.
How much was the previous one you told us?
Oh, they don't tell us because it's. I just unload yesterday, so I don't know how much they pay for that one. I can't tell you, but it depends. Yeah, it depends. But it's good. We're liking it. So you're gonna move tonight?
Yeah. We're gonna go for Hope.
You're gonna sleep there? Okay. Yeah.
Since how long you working the RGN?
RGN? It's a new one. It's just like
Just started?
couple of months. You guys?
Couple of years.
Years? Not bad, yeah. So what time you load today? There.
They load us 9 in the morning.
Oh, Bob Fleming is there?
Sorry?
Bob? The white guy? Bob Fleming. Huh?
His name is Bob?
Yeah, with a orange jacket.
I don't know.
How did you load the thing? By crane?
Yeah, by the crane.
Okay, yeah. But maybe Bob was there.
I don't know that. He's new to the pool.
Okay.
We never been to that pool.
Are you guys from here?
No, Brampton.
Brampton?
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah. Sorry.
Wala Brampton dati rin. Yeah, betul ang bawa ta Brampton.
Ito ay owner-op ng Q-Line. Ganda ng design ng kanyang truck. Siya daw nagpa-design ito. 3,500 yung binayad niya, green and black. Ganda no? 114. Anyway, punta ako doon sa aking truck. Done for the day. Nakipag-chitchatan na ako doon sa mga driver doon at saka itong mga kapatid nating ay. Then yeah, so mag-stay ako dito till tomorrow. Good luck. Parang nakatuwad yung kanyang sobrang taas ng kanyang airbag. Nakatuwad. You have to put the strap. The strap like this. Go there.
Okay.
Yeah, from here. There.
From the front?
Yeah, from here. Go there.
Yeah. So we'll put 2 straps.
Okay, that's good.
One from here, one across.
Why the back of the axle is tilt like that?
Oh.
The airbag?
No, it got a nice booty, you know.
Oh, look at that.
Sometimes we do twerk.
Hey,
Yeah, man.
just like a girl like this.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
That's bro.
Oh, look at the
Just
airbag
like
there.
that.
Yeah, it's tilt like this.
It's an airbag.
Too low here. Yeah. How many chain you use? 4?
4. Yeah, each corner.
4.
One in each. 4. 4.
Oh,
Good.
good luck for this one. Good luck. Okay guys, pinabayaan ko na sila dun sa kanilang ginagawa. Ayoko nang makikialam dun sa pagsisecure nila. So nandito na ako sa loob ng truck kasi maghahaponan ako. Papainit pa ako ng aking pagkain dahil Tom Jones na ako. But before that, bago ko tatapusin ang video, siyempre yung shoutout ninyo, ito yung nandito ako last few days nung pinakain ko yung mga kasamahan kong driver, yung mga nasa comments doon, yun ang aking na screenshot at sila yung mga nagpapa-shoutout, no? So saglit lang to, 25 na nag-comments doon. Si Dennis Piliho, shoutout dyan sa Piliho family sa Marayag, Lopon, Davao Oriental. And si Danny Masayon, shout out sa kanyang misis na si Roti Masayon from California, USA, and si Danilo Teroel, proud Bisaya, and shout out sa De La Cruz family sa Ramon Isabela, and si Raul Salonga, shout out sa shout out dyan sa Masantol, Pampanga. 2 years na daw siyang nanonood. At saka si Rhodes Lee, shout out, dati siyang army na nandyan ngayon sa, I don't know, yung plug na nilagay niya as a weapon technician. And si Net TV 2680, shout out naman sa'yo from Cainta, Rizal. And si Josephine Gakayan from, wala siyang sinabi kung taga saan siya. Si Jerry Atayan Romero, shout out dyan sa Butulan, Sambales. And si Domer Iscala, shout out dyan sa mga truck driver ng Phoenix, Aklan. Ingat kayo sa inyong mga biyahe, mga Choy. Jerome Paclarin, and shout out sa Paclarin family from Nueva Ecija. And si Bautista Vlog, shout out sa, wala siyang, from Calamba, Laguna, si Bautista Vlog. And si Albert Duminden, watching from Kuwait. And si Juban Ray Silagan, shout out sa iyo from Zamboanga City. Si Edralyn Kasupanan, shout out sa Ed Kasupanan from Pampanga. Wala din itong H Api. Joke lang. Edsel Pavilla, shout out sa Pavilla family dito sa Island of Boracay. Ko sarap magbakasyon dyan. Si Edmond Flores, shout out sa iyo. And Francis Orita, shout out sa asawa niyang si Lisa Kalimlim Orita from Maragondon, Cavite. And Nestor Rimambel, shout out sa iyo, Nestor Rimambel of Pagsanhan, Laguna. And Kinder Ya Filipino Restaurant at Northwest Calgary, Alberta. Sana nanonood tong pina-shoutout ni Sir. Si Mark Onkes, shoutout sa iyo shoutout sa Ronkes. Mark Ronkes, shoutout sa Ronkes family dyan sa Tondo, Manila. Sa iyo ang Tondo, akin ang Cavite. Lourdes Soriano, shoutout sa iyo from Lower Bikutan. And Marcy De La Cruz, shoutout sa iyo from Sariaya, Quezon. Marcy De La Cruz, yeah. And Mark Helgok Ong, shoutout sa iyo from Iligan City and Osamis City. Apo ng Maragtas, shoutout sa family Apolinario from Candoni, Negros Occidental. And Bautista, shoutout sa Garcia family from Barangay Cristo Rey, Capas, Tarlac. And yun lang. So anyway guys, yung mga nagpapa-shoutout, kasi ito lang yung tangi kong pasasalamat sa inyo. Alam kong masaya kayo pag nabanggit yung pangalan ninyo, di ba? Sa mga pinapanood ninyong mga vlogger outside ng Pilipinas. But thank you sa inyong support sa channel sa Pinoy Tracker. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong mga komento, sa inyong mga comments na pag-amping, mga positive comments, and it helps me mag good vibes. Mas gaganahan kang mag-vlog dahil alam mong maraming concerns, alam mong maraming nag-aalala sa iyo bukod pa sa aking pamilya. Nasabi ko na to before. So daghang kayong salamat sa inyong suportang tanan. Unta kasi sa Bisaya, unta dili mo magbago, dili mo magsawa, hindi kayo magsasawang manood ng tracking channel, ng tracking vlogs, kasi more on sa aking mga videos ay more on tracking adventure, mga nangyayari sa highway at kung saan-saan pat anong mga events ng aking buhay dito sa highway. I'm a man on the road day by day. Daghang kayong salamat pag amping mo tanan, and I'll keep on tracking. Bye bye.